I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agent.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 54 Bernborough Drive in Barmaryee.
Situated on over an acre of established lifestyle land, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 6x6 shed with additional awning really is one to inspect.
Come on in, have a look.
This newly constructed home really has been thoughtfully designed and includes ample extras. What I love most about the property though has to be the galley style kitchen with stone bench tops, gas cooking, extra large walk-in pantry and really nice view out over the backyard.
So guys, there you have it, 54 Bernborough Drive in Barmaryee. If you're looking for an acre and a half of space and privacy, please don't hesitate to give Anna and myself a call. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.